Hi everyone, and welcome to our next example. So this example here, we're going to take a look at a parallel circuit, and we're actually going to do this question in two different ways to determine the characteristics. We'll call this method number one. And the way we'll do this one is, given the following, if this DC power source is 24 volts, and this resistor here, R1, is 2 ohms. And this resistor here, R2, is 8 ohms. What I can do is calculate the current going through ammeter A1. As we know, some of the current will travel this direction here. Some will go through A1, and some will go through A2. So if I want to calculate I1, or the current through ammeter 1, I need to know the voltage, and I need to know the resistor value R1. I1 is equal to, well, since it's a parallel circuit and the voltage source is 24 volts, I know the drop across R1 must be 24 volts. Divide that by the resistance, and I1 is equal to 12 amps. If I want to calculate the current going through I2, I must have the voltage across that resistor and the resistance R2. So I2 is equal to 24 volts divided by R2, which is 8 ohms. Doing the math, I2 is equal to 3 amps. So I know going to my circuit here that I1, or the current through this branch, is equal to 12 amps. And the current going through this branch is 3 amps. The current goes through here and up this direction. This current goes here. They meet at this point and add together. So I know that through A5, this must be the sum of the two. So I total is equal to I1 plus I2. Which is equal to 12 amps plus 3 amps, which is 15 amps. So here, this is 15 amps. So I've got 15 amps going in, and I must have the same coming through A4. That's also 15 amps. That's it for this example. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.